Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to block adult websites on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your iPhone settings, and then in this interface you need to scroll down and find Screen Time option. After that you need to scroll down and then click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then you need to click on Store, Web, Siri and Game Center content. After that you will see this list of options. All you need to do is find web content topic and then click on the web content option. After that you will see three different options: unrestricted, limit adult websites and only approved websites. All you need to do is to click on the second one option, limit adult websites, and then all adult websites will be blocked. So you can actually add some specific website by clicking on add website under never allow topic to add some specific websites you want to block, or you can allow some website if this feature block some website that shouldn't block. So actually that's all, and that's how to block adult websites on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.